So today we got for you 3 pairs of dad shoes, chunky shoes, and I don't know if I can get on board with this style, this trend just yet, but let's try our very best. Today we're gonna check out these 3 shoes, and they just happen to be 3 Yeezys, because as much as I want to try to love this trend, oh my gosh, the Nike Monarchs, I don't know, some of those Reebok shoes out there, there's just a lot of dad shoes that I would never wear, the Balenciaga Triple S's. These 3 are ones that I would actually consider, so let's find out if I can get on board with that dad shoe train. So the first pair we got for you is the brand new, just released Yeezy WaveRunner 700s in the mauve colorway, I think is what it's called. These, honestly, I don't know. You guys tell me what you think about these. So, here they are. Now what's crazy about this shoe is that just like everybody else, I woke up on launch day, waited in the queue for my turn, blah blah blah, got my pair, but this is the first pair of Yeezys ever that I've seen, at least I think so. Even with the butters, I feel like those still sold out pretty quick. My gosh, day 2, I went on the website, there were still pairs sitting there. So, I don't know about you guys, but this one, I think they made too many, or this one, people just really didn't like. So in my personal opinion, I actually kind of like the Yeezy WaveRunners. I love the original colorway. To be honest with you, I still don't know how I feel about the dad shoe thing, but I like the original WaveRunners. These ones, I don't know how I feel about the colorway personally. The suede, amazing. The mesh, very breathable. The 3M hit on the stripes right there, love that. The gum sole bottom, that is a great touch. But the colorway in general, just all the brown, the gray, the neon yellow, I don't think it's something that I can rock too often, especially for a retail price of $300. That is crazy. When I bought this pair, it was $325 including shipping and tax. And when I go check on StockX and I see that recently pairs have been selling for under $300, these are definitely not a pair to stock. These are definitely for you to buy if you want to rock them. So if you want to know about sizing for these guys, personally, in Adidas PK NMDs, I wear a size 10.5. In Ultra Boosts and Yeezy V2s, I wear an 11.5. And for these guys, I rock an 11.5 as well. So for these, I can really squeeze into an 11 if I need to, but they're definitely not as comfortable. But I have heard from other people that have been wearing their WaveRunners for a lot longer that once you wear them, they really stretch out a bit and become super comfortable. So some people have recommended going true to size. Personally, I went with the 11.5 to get a more comfortable fit right out of the box. When you wear them, you do kind of feel like you got clown shoes on. However, that's the thing. They're so wide, they're so dad shoe-like that they're just extremely comfortable. If you look at the bottom, you got a great gum sole, but all inside up in there, that's Boost right there. These are extremely comfortable, and I can recommend these. Maybe not these colorways personally, but if you check them out in person and you love them, power to you, especially because the price on these, not that bad. Going for under retail at some places, so do your research. Pair number 2, these ones I'm not gonna talk too much about because these are the WaveRunner 700 OG colorway, and I want to be clear, this is a size 11, and like I said, I rock the 11.5. I have my personal pair. This is my extra pair that I'm gonna box for you so you can get that brand new unboxing experience of a dead stock pair. And when I do the on-feet shots, I'm gonna use my personal size 11.5. So if any of you out there would like to buy this size 11 off me, hit me up on Twitter. I'll hook you guys up. I just want to talk about how the combinations of colors on this are just so unique and so different and just kind of unexpected, but they just work, man. Like even the neon laces, I've thought about switching those out, but in my head, I'm just like, these really just work how they are. So they're very iconic. You see these on the streets, you automatically know. So I will say, personally, in my opinion, if you're gonna get this one or the mauve pair as your first WaveRunner, I'd go with this one. The OG really isn't that much more expensive than the mauve pair, so might as well go for the OG, because OG is almost always the best. The suede on these are definitely on par. Mesh looks great, 3M hits, love that. And of course, that Boost sole, yes. Love these, they're extremely comfortable. Definitely check these out. These are definitely my favorite out of the 3 we're checking out today. These, in my opinion, definitely look the most like dad shoes. But I'll rock with them. Last, but definitely not least, the Yeezy 500s. These are a pair that I really like. I don't like those moon yellow ones. The blush ones I like, these ones I like, and if you haven't figured out, these are the utility black ones. They're more like a gray color than black, but I actually think that's part of the reason why I like them so much. It's like a dark charcoal gray, and they look super sick. They are definitely super chunky, and I'm not exactly sure which one's chunkier, these ones or those ones, but because of the base of them, you'll see that it's designed kind of chunky, kind of bulbous, kind of weird. These ones feel more chunky to me, but these are also so comfy. And what's crazy about these, no boost technology in these. The sole is nice and thick, black rubber, and I think they killed it. That design looks awesome. I love the swirls. But what's crazy is these, I feel like, are just as comfortable as the WaveRunners, and there's no boost in these. So they did a great job designing these shoes. They have hints of 3M all around the shoe, and I just think in general, this looks like a very utility-based shoe. Funny, because it's utility black colorway, but there's lots of mesh, very breathable, and I love that suede. If you did not know, my favorite shoe material is suede. I'm a sucker for it. It's hard to take care of, but dang does it look good. So these are the Yeezy 500s, my last pair of dad shoes I wanted to show you guys. Again, like I said, breathable, great material, no boost. Let's get these shoes on feet. Hope you guys enjoyed those on-feet shots and this quick look at my first time trying on some dad shoes, seeing which ones I like, which ones I don't really like, and hopefully that gives you a better idea of maybe if you should pick up one of these 3 shoes. Thank you guys so much for watching and for supporting. I've been transitioning not away from tech, just into some more lifestyle, some more sneaker stuff, some more personal stuff about my personal life. That's kind of where I want to go with this channel. It was called and named NOBA Tech, not only but also tech, for a reason. We're getting into that reason. So thank you guys so much for watching. My name's Jerry Land with NOBA Tech. To the next one and beyond.